today we're moving hotels because the other one really didn't meet what we expected. So it was Ibis Styles Dubai Dira. We didn't really expect what it had and stuff. So now we're moving to Pullman, which is the one we went to in Medina. But anyway, we're in Dubai now. I can see the Burj Khalifa now, but it's in the fog. So I don't think you viewers can see it. I just saw the Dubai flame and the Burj Khalifa in the middle. But the Burj Khalifa was too tall for the Dubai flame. You should be able to see the Burj Khalifa soon. We've arrived at Pullman.
इधर एक रेस्टोरेंट है शराब दरबार पाकिस्तान.
So they sell stuff here, but you have to pay. And it's in the front. Ice cream too. What's our room number? 1043. 10. Oh, I thought you were saying the time. 10:43. It's not 10:43. 10:43 is the room number. There it is. 10:43. I need the card.
This will be as per your expectations.
Wow! Whoa! This has a kitchen. And it has a dining table and couches and a TV.
Look at the creek view.
And look at the
that.
creek.
Look at Burj Khalifa view.
Whoa! It's creek plus Burj Khalifa. That's so nice.
Guys,
We're coming
you'll
this
be more
way.
than happy now.
And then washing machine here.
Look at here.
And then the two twin beds. And another king bed here.
So are you guys
And a bathtub. Yay! And there's a little door here for some reason. And then there's a tiny toilet and a big toilet for some reason. A tiny toilet and a big toilet. And there's a sink for some reason. I don't get what the tiny toilet is for. Anyways, we're on our way to Legoland now. Legoland Dubai.